Dear students, I once again welcome you to your English second paper class from Uposahar College. You know I am Ananda Kumar Mitra, Assistant Professor, Uposahar College, Joshua. We have already attended 2 classes on article. It is our 3rd class. In the last class, we learned definite article, the. We already discussed what is definite article, and we also saw some uses of definite article. Today, we will continue the use of definite article the. At first, the point that we see here is that definite article or the is used before meaningful historical name. What is meaningful historical name? We normally know that the cannot be used or definite article cannot be used before proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is normally the name of person and place, such as Rohim, Korim, Nazma, Raina, Dhaka, Khulna, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. All these are examples of proper noun. And when we write the name of a person, Rohim or Korim, we don't use the. Similarly, when we write the name of Dhaka or India or Pakistan or Bangladesh, we don't use definite article the before them, because proper noun cannot take the before it. But there are some meaningful historical names where the is used, such as the USA, the UK. There are some more examples: the West Indies, the UAE, the USSR, the Punjab. These are historical names, and normally it is not singular. It is not singular. United States of America, states, not a singular state, but it is the combination of some states. United Kingdoms, not a singular kingdom. So, this kind of meaningful or historical name take the before them. Then, before superlative degree, we know there are 3 kinds of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. Normally, positive and comparative degree do not take definite article before them, but when we use its superlative form, then it will take the before it. For example, the oldest, the most useful, the tallest, the biggest, the largest, the most meritorious, the most intelligent, the most popular. So, when we will write the superlative form of degree, then we will use the before them. Number 3, before singular designation. What is designation? Designation means title. We know that there are different kind of designation in an organization or in an institution, but if there is a single designation, then we must use the before that designation. You notice Before president we have used the. Similarly, before principal we have used the. Why? Because president is only one in a country or in an organization or in an institution. Similarly, principal is only one in an institution or in a college. But when it is the case of college, there may be many lecturers or professors, but in that case we cannot use the. If I am a lecturer, then I shall say I am a lecturer of Upashahar College. But if I am the principal of that college, I will say I am the principal of Upashahar College, because it is singular. Similarly, Mr. Abdul Hamid is the president of Bangladesh, because he has no substitute. He is the only one who holds this position. So, where the position is singular, where the designation is singular, we will use the before that position or designation. Then comes number 4, before direction. There are normally 4 directions: the east, the west, the south, the north. So, when we will say east, we will use before it. Similarly, when we will say west, we will also use before it the. We will use the before it. Similarly, the north or the south. So, we should keep in mind when we will write the name of any direction, it will take the before it. Then number 5, before musical instrument. Musical instrument, you know, piano, guitar, harmonium, violin, all these are musical instrument, because it is used in different kind of music to produce tune. So, when we will write piano or guitar or violin or harmonium, we will use the before it. But we should keep in mind, we will use the in that cases when it will be, these instruments will be played. This instrument will be played. But when I will say I have a guitar or I have a piano, in that case it will not take the before it. When it will take the before it? When someone says Mr. Rahim plays the piano, or do you know how to play the guitar? Do you know how to play the guitar? In fact, when these instruments will be played, then we will use the before it. In other cases, it may take a or an. For example, I bought a new guitar. I bought a guitar. I bought a piano. Here we will not use the. Here it may take a or an. But when we will use it in case of playing that very instrument, in that case we will use the. Next, before law enforcing agencies. The agencies that are used to enforce law in our society, in our country, before those law enforcing agencies, we will use the. For example, the police, the army, the BGB, the RAB, the ANSAR, all these forces are used to maintain law of a country. So, whenever we will write the name of any law enforcing agencies, we will use the before it. Number 7, to mean joto toto or comparative degree with the word to. Notice it carefully. Normally, comparative degree does not take the. For example, Dhaka is bigger than Jashore. Here bigger is comparative, but bigger cannot take the before it. In two cases, comparative degree take the before it. One, in Bangla, when it is used to mean joto toto, then we will use the before that comparative degree. For example, the sooner the better. Sooner is the comparative form of soon. Better is the comparative form of good. In that case, we will use the, because the sooner the better. It's the meaning of it in Bengali is joto taratari hoy totoi mongol. So when in Bengali we will say joto toto, in that cases we will use the before comparative degree. Similarly, the more you read, the more you learn. The more you read, the more you learn. More is the comparative form of mass. So joto poribe toto shikibe. In that case, we will also use the before more, though it is comparative form. So we have learned in Bengali when there will be joto toto, then we will use the before comparative degree. In second cases, we see that if a comparative degree takes two TWO, this very word is used in comparative degree, then the is to be used before that comparative degree. For example, he is the better of the two boys. Of the two boys, here there is two. For this reason, better will take the. Normally, better does not take the, because comparative degree cannot take the before it. Good, better, best. Good, better, best. Better is the comparative form of good. Normally, better does not take the. For example, Rohim is better than Karim. Rohim is better than Karim. We don't use the before better because it is comparative. But here, the very word to is used. So when to will be used in a comparative degree, then we will use the before that comparative degree. Number 8, when a noun is mentioned for the second or more time. Here, notice it carefully, dear student. When a noun is mentioned for the second or more time in a sentence, then it will take the before it. For example, I saw a boy. Here, before boy, we have used a. But when this boy is used for the second time, then it will automatically turn into the. It will automatically take the before it. If it is used for the third time, it will also take the. So when a noun is used for the first time, if it is countable noun, if it is singular, then it will take a or an. But when it will be used for the second time or third time or fourth time, then automatically it will take the. Number 9, before ordinal number. Edward the 7th, George the 6th, 7th, 5th, 4th. When we will use this ordinal number, then it will take the. And finally, before abstract and material noun when specified. Notice, normally abstract noun and material noun do not take the before it. Abstract, what is abstract noun? The noun that cannot be touched, but we can feel it, such as honesty, kindness, sorrow, sufferings, all these are abstract noun. And what is material noun? The noun that has weight, that takes some place is called material noun. For example, water, gold, wood, diamond, all these are material noun. So when we normally use abstract or material noun, we don't use the before it. But when it is specified, then it must be preceded by the. For example, the water of this glass is dirty. Here the water, particular water. Which water? Of this glass, not the whole water, but the water of a particular glass. Then it will take the. Similarly, the honesty of the boy charmed me. Not, we know honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Here honesty does not take the, because it is no particular honesty, but honesty as a whole. But when we say the honesty of the boy, here it is specified, not the total honesty, but the honesty of a particular boy, then we will use before the. So normally abstract and material noun do not take the before it, but when it is specified, when it is particularized, when we say of some particular abstract noun or material noun, then we will use the before it. Thank you, students. Dear students, this is all from today's class. We will meet in the next class. Till then, I wish you a very happy and healthy life. Thank you. See you again.